Hi guys, this is Jackson here, and today I'm going to unbox this portable radio from Pagaria. So I've got this radio from Amazon during the Big Billion Days of 2023. I got this for 1350 rupees. The model number of this radio is 3917. So this also acts as a Bluetooth speaker. It has a Bluetooth and memory card option as well. So let's just go through the features quickly. It has USB, so you can insert a pen drive and play directly. It is rechargeable, so this is also one big thing. You don't have to keep continuing with the batteries. There is a memory card playback, FM, AM, SW. Torch is also there, and it has a 5-watt speaker. So 5 watt for a pocket radio is very good actually. So I was checking through online what are the various options available, and I felt this radio is a bit better. It is also easy to carry also, so if in case I'm traveling, then in that case also I can use it. So let's unbox this quickly. So I have this warranty card here. So the company name here shows as Melody Media. The packaging is very good. Oh, they have given one adapter as well, so this is something I feel very good. From the It is a branded adapter, specifically to be used 1 ampere 5-volt adapter to be used with the radio itself. So this is something nice. Even big mobile phones also, they don't give the charger nowadays. The USB cord is also there. So let's move on to the main unit. So this is the main speaker here, and that's it. Also there is an instruction card with guide. So let's unbox this and check. Wow, this the build quality is actually very good. I think the manufacturer had kept it on only while sending, so it was on, I guess. So this is a mistake from the manufacturer, I think. So if I have to mention it size wise, I have a tape measure here. So it is around 5 inch in length, and in width it is around 3 inch, and thickness it is around 2 inch. Okay, so if I have to show you, it is in my hand, it is around, it is carryable, but it is the size of a small box, so you'll need to carry it in a bag. So the let's go to the controls here. So there is an extension antenna, so this is good. So we don't need to insert any earphone or anything to play in case we want to play directly. So this is the indicator for charge and power. This is the USB port. This is the slot for the memory card, and this is the DC. So in case if you want to run this on DC charger, then also it will run DC 5-volt. Hmm. Okay, so this is the torch. Torch is very powerful. So this is a very good torch. It is not just a small feature that everyone. It is a full-fledged torch. So you can actually, if you are living in a rural area or something, this can be actually very helpful. On the other side, there is again a 5-volt output. Okay, so I think you can use this as a power bank as well, most probably. Let me just check the instructions and confirm. Hmm, emergency charging of mobile. Okay, so this can be used as a power bank as well. Connect the mobile cable to the 5-volt output port to charge in case of emergency use. It cannot fully charge the mobile, but it will only give temporary charge, enough to use for short time. Wow, so this is like a full-fledged device. It is having a Bluetooth speaker, it is having a memory card player, FM radio, torch, and as well as it acts up to some level as a power bank as well. So they have mentioned here that it can't charge your phone fully, but at least some, in case of urgency, it can charge up to some level. So yeah, that's all the features. This is the port for charging. This is the 3.5 earphone port, so you can listen it on earphone as well, in case you don't want to use the speaker. This is the volume, and this is the control for changing the radio stations. So if you can see, it is showing the indicator like the old radio stations, and this is the, I think, media buttons for memory card, I guess. So let's start this radio and check once. So it has the controls here. If you can hear, it will tell you in which mode it is. So the first mode is Bluetooth. Bluetooth mode. So it actually spelled it to the speaker that is in Bluetooth mode. I'll move again to the FM mode. I'll just open the antenna fully. Now this is in FM mode. So I'll just increase the volume.
एकमेव मराठी रेडिओ स्टेशन 106.4 मॅजिक FM फक्त तुझ्यासाठी.
So the media buttons don't work for radio. I think that they are there only for pen drive and memory card playback. For the radio, you'll have to use this round controller only, but it feels good actually. It feels like using a vintage radio. So for the price of 1350, I think this is a very good music player. The build quality is also very good. The plastic doesn't feel like it is cheap plastic. The quality is very good, I might say. So there is also one more slot. Let's check what it does. I think it is a battery. Oh, so it has a removable battery as well. So in case after some time the battery gets used and doesn't work, there is a good chance that you might find this battery in the market, and you can change it if it is available. I'm not sure if these kind of batteries are available, but it's a rechargeable battery. So if you take it to some battery shop and show them this old one, there is a good chance that you can reuse this radio once the battery is not working. Rechargeable battery. So as I mentioned, this is the rechargeable battery. This is not a use and throw battery. You can recharge it as many times as the battery lasts. Normally I think it should last around a year or so if you are using it kind of in a medium way, not too much, not too less. So that's it guys for this review. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comments, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.